Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the celebration puppy ability in Garden game of Roblox 2026 New Year update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the celebration puppy looks like, and I'm going to show you how you can get this pet. If you want to get this pet, you need to buy the New Year's egg from the New Year's shop right here, and the egg cost 1 trillion shekels, and you will have 20% chance or possibility to get this celebration puppy. Okay, and I'm going to go to my garden and place this pet, and let's view the ability. Every 3 minutes, 10.34% chance to dig up a random New Year cosmetic. So basically it can give you random New Year cosmetic, and this is the cosmetic I got from this puppy, this cone. Yeah, I think it's not really worth to keep in our garden guys, because it can only give you the cosmetic and I don't really need that cosmetic. But you can keep it during the new year, and after that you can put it in your inventory. And okay guys, that's all about the celebration puppy and grow a garden game of Roblox New Year update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.